Hello class 8 students. Today in continuation of chapter Conservation of Biodiversity, I am starting wildlife. First of all, I am giving its introduction. After that we will go in detail. What is wildlife? Traditionally, it refers to undomesticated animal species. But actually, wildlife include all organisms that grow or live wild in an area without being introduced by human. All the wildlife can be found in all ecosystems. We will discuss wildlife are in danger. Why? Due to human activities and interference, population of wildlife are decreasing at a faster rate. Which human activities are involved? You know very well that for using more and more land for developmental purposes, humans have been clearing forest. Clearing forest causes destruction of natural habitat of wildlife. That's why life of wildlife and its population both are affected. Now come to the second point. Illegal killing of wild animals. You know very well some specific things are present in wild animals like tusk, skin, etc. Forgetting these things, they are killed, and in science the term is used poaching. Indian rhinoceros are being hunted for their horns. They are used in making traditional medicines. Tigers are poached for their skin, which is used in decoration and clothing. Indian elephants are being hunted for their tusks to make valuable ornaments. Poses a threat to the animal species. On the basis of threat, wildlife can broadly be divided in three categories. First one is called extinct species, second one the endangered species, and third one endemic species. Now one by one we will discuss about these. First of all, I am starting from extinct species. Extinct species that have disappeared from Earth, completely disappeared from Earth. These species are called extinct species. Its examples: dinosaur, dodo birds, etc. These species became extinct because they could not adapt to the changing environment of our planet or due to overexploitation by humans. Hence, they died. Some other examples of extinct species are Tasmanian wolf and pink-hued duck. Now, come to the endangered species. Which animals are kept in these categories? Species that are left in small number and are on the verge of extinction are called endangered species. You can see some examples: Asiatic lion, leopard, and tiger. If proper measures are not taken to preserve and protect them, they might become extinct soon. Now come to the endemic species. Endemic species are those species that are densely populated in one region but scarcely available in other regions. Its examples are golden langur, Malabar parakeet, etc.